everybody, welcome back. This video is going to be a little bit different than my other videos. Yesterday was July 10th. I had the opportunity to welcome some other model railroaders down to my layout, and so we had a great day. We ended up running trains down here in the basement from about 1 o'clock in the afternoon to almost 6:30. The layout held up great. So I took a bunch of clips of videos of the different locomotives that were here so that we could share them in a video. So that's what this is going to be. It's going to be lots of different clips. They're short and quick, just kind of goes through to see some of the different locomotives that the guys brought down with them. So in these videos, some of our guests that you'll see, you may recognize. We have Sydney from Sydney's Trains was here, and he brought some locomotives. What I'll try to do is, as we show the clips of the different locomotives, I'll try to put the name of that locomotive and then whose locomotive that is. We had, so Sydney was here, and he brought a bunch of locomotives with him. We had Matty C. Trains from Long Island was here. We had RJ from RJ's Trains was here as well. We had Stephen Kofel from Long Island came down with them too. And we had Bernsey was here as well. He's new to Instagram, so check him out on there. He also has a YouTube channel as well. I'll put the tags for all those YouTube, all those channels as well into the description of this video. Make sure you check those guys out and give them a follow. We also had Chris from RBP Trains. He was here too, and he brought a really special model with him, so we'll be sure to highlight that in this video too. So how did this kind of all come about? We have obviously connected through the social media platforms and things like that, but Norfolk Western 611 is right up in Strasburg, as I'm sure many of you know. I live pretty close to Strasburg, so we were able to kind of time it with their visit there to then come down and hang out. So without further ado, let's watch some of these clips, and at the end of the video, we have a box to open up. So stay tuned to the end so we can open this up together. But enjoy this video. Leave a comment what your favorite locomotive is that you saw on this video. Hopefully we will be able to do this again soon, and we'll be able to either be at my layout or another layout and be able to share what other collectors are doing and help one another out and things like that. So thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the video. Stay tuned for the end so we can open up this box.
Do you want to go on this loop next? I know.
First turn
right, so what do you think? Those locomotives were absolutely spectacular. It was awesome to have the Hudson 700E Vision Line model on the layout. The FEF 844 I think is probably one of my favorites that we had running on the layout. We pulled the UP passenger set off the wall and let that locomotive pull those around for a little bit, and that was really neat to see. I've got to get one of those models in my collection at some point in time. So it was a great day, but without further ado, let's go ahead and open up this box here. And my layout's all cleaned up because I had a bunch of guests over, so I'm using a screw today to open this box because I don't have my knife handy on me. So let's see what we've got here. Ugh, peanuts. But underneath the peanuts is a purple box. This is new from Mr. Muffin's Trains. Is a 3-bay center flow hopper. I don't have many of these on my layout. He was offering a sale on these a couple weeks ago, and I was like, you know what, the cargo one just looks really sharp. And I do have plans to put a mill of some kind up on my upper level, so I had the opportunity to grab this, and I thought this would be great. And it's nice and bright white, and that means that it is going to be a perfect candidate to weather. Awesome. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. Go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Really appreciate that. Leave a comment, and thanks again.